Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm making a video right here, and we're going to be discussing how you guys can cop the Nike and Bodega dunk highs, the fauna kind of brown and legend colorway, whatever you want to really call it. There's been a few names for these ones, but I'm really just coming here to discuss how you guys will be able to get your hands on them for retail, since they are surprisingly reselling pretty well. Even though, you know, not all of us think they look good, me included, I really don't think these shoes look great. Sorry, my mom was laughing loud in the background. You know, Christmas morning here, we making a video. I had a really good Christmas morning and I'm happy about it, you know, just good spirit, you know. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. I'd really appreciate that. Let's try to like 200 likes on this video. Again, that's kind of the goal we're really going for. Just, you know, we go for everyone, and I'd appreciate if, you know, we could hit the, you know, hit the goal in this video too. But that's really everything I got to say. So again, just stay tuned down below. Go join the Discord in the description. Don't want y'all to miss out on that. It's a good little sneaker community. Just fun time down there, my little Discord. So hope you guys will enjoy. Everything's down there, and let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording, my classic go-to saying. And if you guys again want more, just you want to go check out my Instagrams down below, that's really what I was gonna go say. Then you can go check out my Instagrams down below, and just, you know, go give these a little follow right here in the description. But aside from that, not really the most important thing, or really the thing I want to discuss here. Let's get into discussing this drop. So the Nike and Bodega dunk high, I guess in the legend colorway. I know many people have referred to it as like a fauna brown kind of colorway, or a faux, I guess a fauna brown kind of colorway. I don't know how you would pronounce it correctly. I'm just trying to think of how it would really be pronounced. But obviously, looking at this one, you can clearly tell there is some baseball inspiration going on here. I can at least see kind of with, you know, that's kind of like some sewing, you know, that would go on like the glove. And I'm noticing a lot of inspiration kind of like from some baseball kind of culture. And I guess that kind of makes sense because, you know, I see something about Boston based, and Boston, as you know, is huge with kind of their baseball. Someone from Boston, please confirm me on that. Please tell me that you guys are into your baseball, because I know you guys are. I know you got the Red Sox. I think the White Sox are in there too. I don't know if those are both in Boston. I think they are, but I don't want to mess it up really. But kind of seeing that, I see this slight inspiration for the shoe, but kind of getting into it, I think they're ugly. I'm sorry. I'm just going to say it right off the bat. I don't think anybody's really going to be offended by that or necessarily disagree. I mean, again, if you like how these look, then that's you. But my opinion on these is that they are super ugly, and I'm just like, these are boof. I'm not feeling these. And, you know, honestly, the biggest drop for these, again, with the most stock, again, dropping on December 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So right before New Year's, you know, 10 a.m. Eastern time, December 30th, just be there for this shoe, because you still will want to buy this one at an $120 retail price, because this is definitely going to resell very well. Again, you'll only be paying like $135 anyways after like tax and everything. So, you know, it's not anything really too crazy, but I really want to discuss reselling these right now and kind of get into that. So when you go in StockX right now for these and that, you know, legend fauna brown colorway, you can see there's people bidding up to $600 or $700 on these. You know, people are really wanting this shoe, and I was like, all right, well, there's only like 20 sales in StockX, so, you know, it's not really anything too accurate, but it hasn't even been dropping that much. If anything, you know, it's starting to even go up a little bit, but it hasn't dropped really, so we have to think about that. But with that $120 retail, my personal opinion is when you see pairs selling for $500, $600 right now, it's not accurate. It is only a couple of days before, but you have to think about how many people actually have pairs of this in hand. So when it kind of was like thinking about that and looking at it, I was really thinking that this one will probably drop down to, you know, like $275, $400. That's my range right there. It is a big range, so, you know, just kind of think about the sizes you get. Again, the best sizes to kind of get for this one I'm seeing are 7 through 9. So go for 7 through 9, or go for like 11.5 through 13. Those are kind of like the best sizes. I would probably skip, you know, 10 and 11 on this one, but again, go for really any size, because they're all going to be profit. That's just kind of my resale estimation in that range, right down to 275, 400. And yes, I do think these ones will be going for a lot of money. You know, I personally see these ones staying, you know, up there, because I think they're going to be limited. That would really, these ones, the only reason they're going for this much right now has to be something that with them being limited. I mean, I guess people really do like how these ones look, or, you know, some people are just feeling that kind of baseball inspiration. So yeah, seeing that these ones are reselling really good, so do not sleep. You will make some profit going for this drop. And you know, it is very interesting. The one part of the shoe I can admire is I really like the sole of the shoe, kind of like that. I don't know, it's like an icy, it's not like an icy brown, I don't know if that makes sense, but just kind of clean, if you can tell right there. So I like that. But yeah, aside from that, looking good, and it will be dropping on Snkrs with the most stock, so make sure you guys check out, you know, the Nike Bodega Dunk High, the Legend colorway. But let's discuss how you guys can get the shoe off Snkrs. So my best advice on how you guys can cop this shoe off Snkrs using multiple accounts and really get this one for retail is, again, make sure you go check my video down below. I'll link this down below, but this is a video I've made in the past that really goes over, if you don't know how to cop off Snkrs already, or my methods that I've discussed to get success often, please go watch this video. It's kind of like a new method that's going to work heading into 2020, 2021, you know, so on. It's always really worked. It's kind of discussing how Snkrs works and how you can actually, you know, use Snkrs to your advantage to actually hit more often, and how it works, you know, the methods we use. So if you're trying to learn anything about copping off Snkrs, go check that video down below in the description and you can learn there. And you can also just kind of screenshot this notepad right here. This is like a notepad. You could watch this, you know, while like, you know, I'm in the video, I'm also bringing up this notepad. This is kind of like a basic of how you'd make multiple Snkrs accounts, because basically how Snkrs works is, you know, like the more Snkrs accounts that you make and enter in a drop, and the more chances you have of actually winning that shoe, since Snkrs is kind of like a lottery if you think about it. You know, the more chances you enter in that lottery, the higher chance you have of hitting, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of how it would work, but I don't want to really go over how to cop off Snkrs again too much. The video's down below if you want to watch that, because this is kind of, again, a good guide on how to get it off Snkrs specifically. But the shoe is dropping at more places just than Snkrs. We really have to think about that when we've been looking into it. So right now, again, aside from Resell and the big main stock drop, which is going on Snkrs, it is also dropping on Bodega, because, you know, this is a collaboration with Bodega for the shoe. It's Nike and Bodega, as you can see, the Nike and Bodega Dunk Highs. So it's also dropping on Bodega. So just go to bodegastore.com and go to upcoming releases, and you can really check out all the information right here, kind of discussing how you'll be able to cop the Legend colorway for these Bodega Dunk Highs. And as you guys can see, you really would just go to new arrivals and start refreshing under new arrivals on December 28th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So at noon Eastern time, right here in the US, noon Eastern time. I think maybe EU too, just be here noon Eastern time, and this one is going to be dropping right here, so you could be able to cop it right here off the Bodega site. I'm personally going to be trying to go on the site too. I think it will be botted probably a decent amount, but again, I don't really know too much about Bodega and how it works. I don't have an account, but I do have an account, but I'm not signed into it. But really, again, just Monday, December 28th, 12 p.m. Eastern time, and it's also dropping right here at Bodega. Not at this page right here, not on this page right here, under new arrivals. So you would just click new arrivals and then just be refreshing under there at like 11:55, 11:50, you know, just a few minutes before the drop. And, you know, just get ready for it to drop there, because it's going to be, you know, this is another place where probably the most stock will also be, obviously, Bodega, and Nike will have all the stock. So that's really where it's going to be going down, is these two main places. The Snkrs drop, so, you know, get as many devices as you can, prepare for that drop. And then also for Bodega, you know, just get your accounts ready and, you know, get ready to try and copy here manually, you know, get some bots going. You know, it will be limited stock, as they said, but they have pretty much like all sizes. And you also got special laces, so shout out them. You're getting special laces with these. That's probably why they're going for a lot. It's probably the box on a lot of stuff, you know. I'm sure there's something else about these that, you know, are making them hype. And I think I saw some info. The box is pretty cool for these. But aside from that, another place I really want to show you all, shout out to Secret Sauce, and I'll leave these guys down below in the description. But these guys are a cook group that basically can cook releases just like this one for you guys, and help you actually have more success in your resale game and just in general with getting releases. Like if you have trouble usually with getting a lot of these harder releases, or you're trying to learn how to bot or something, you know, you need those early links or monitors, you know, for JD Sports, so you can add to cart and like check out quicker. These guys have them. So how you guys would again join this group, it is a $60 monthly fee, but again, 100% worth it. These guys be copping a lot of stuff for people. You can go check their success. There's people always hitting, like talk about him for the Grinches. There's a plenty of pairs right there. So you already know people be doing really good, and that's super dope. So again, if you guys again are trying to get into the Discord and really want to know more about them, like how the tickets or slots would work in the Discord, is basically once you get in, and how you would get in again, you would just you know, send them a message on Twitter down below and just let them know that I sent you. But how the slots would work, or tickets in the Discord, as you would say, is basically they would drop a form, like they would send you a form, and then basically you would fill out that form. You would fill in your, you know, payment info and shipping info. And again, I've done this. They've got me Snkrs, plenty of stuff. If you watch my videos, they got Arcade right there. That's another example. But you basically then just fill out that form with your info, and they would take that form, and then they would just you know, check out on a bunch of stuff right there for you, which I think is just super dope. And you know, it's no extra fees or anything there. It's 100% safe. Like you don't have to worry about these guys taking any info. Like these guys are 100% legit. And shout out Secret Sauce, because these guys are always like, you know, helping me have success, and it's really dope. So you know, again, shout out them. If you know if you want to get into the Discord, again, don't forget, just go to the Twitter in the description right there and send them a message, and that's how it would really work also. So huge shout out to my boys at Secret Sauce right there, and also shout out to the proxies too, sauceproxies.io. I'll leave a link to the proxies down below if you want to go check it out. These are the ones that I would use for, like, for computers, or if I had like multiple sneakers accounts going on my computer. They work really well. A lot of people be having success with these, and that's really how you guys would do it. And when I went on sneaker news and when I was researching on the internet, I was researching on the internet about these Bodega Legend, or Fauna Brown, however you want to say it, Dunk Highs. I was looking around and there's pretty much no raffles for these going on. Since Bodega and Snkrs have all the stock, there's like no raffles on these. There's nothing on Raffles Sneakers about these being raffled off, so these are very exclusive and very limited shoes, and that's I think these ones are selling for so much right now, and especially since they got that baseball inspiration. They are unique, I will give them that, so that's another reason why these ones would be going for a lot. It's just they're different, and I can definitely respect that. So that's how you guys would be able to cop the Nike and Bodega Dunk High Legend Browns, Fauna Browns, whatever you want to call them. Baseball inspired, Boston inspired, and definitely I think an interesting, maybe not a great looking, but interesting shoe for sure, and it's definitely going to sell for a lot of profit, so get your hands on it. But I'm gonna end the screen recording right there, and that's how you guys can cop these Bodega Dunk Highs. Do not sleep on these Bodega Dunk Highs. If you sleep, that's your fault. I'm not sleeping, even though I wouldn't wear them. I'd cop them to sell, so you might as well. No loss. But let's roll the outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content just like this video, again, I hope you guys are having a good Christmas if you do celebrate it. And just again, if you want more how to cop videos just like this one, be sure you guys subscribe below and also drop a like. We're trying to like 200 likes on this video. Again, this is the goal. And also down in the description, if you need to learn how to cop off sneakers, my how to cop off sneakers guide manually, that whole guide is like down there. Like that can really help you out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm always responding to the comments, checking them out. And yeah, hopefully you guys will have success with this drop. I'm really about to go get some new phones and stuff, because your boy is definitely gonna need another phone, because I'm trying to run more sneakers accounts. Like I'm trying to run up to 4 accounts, because that's like the safe amount, so I'm trying to get up to 4 right now. I only run 2, but still have good success. So yeah, that's everything I really need to say. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure you guys check my Instagrams down below. Those are in the description. I just hit my hand on my desk. But yeah, Cherish is big. Doesn't have a lot of space really, but we're still moving around slightly. But hopefully you check my Instagrams down below there and everything. But yeah, that's everything I gotta say. So I'm T. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Be sure you check the Discord also down below. Do not want to forget that. Check the Discord below. That's it. Peace.